On D-Day, Hitler thought the invasion of Europe was fake. That mistake changed the world. By 1944, Hitler knew the Allies were coming. But he was fixated on one place, Pas de Calais, shortest crossing, fastest supply line. Perfect logic. To him, Normandy didn't make sense. The Allies knew exactly what Hitler expected. So they created fake armies, inflatable tanks, false radio traffic. It was called Operation Fortitude, the greatest military deception in history. When Allied troops landed in Normandy on June 6, 1944, Hitler hesitated. He believed it was just a diversion. The real invasion was still coming. Here's the shocking part. Hitler was asleep. German generals were too afraid to wake him. Only Hitler could release the tanks. Hours passed. While Hitler waited for an invasion that never came, 156,000 Allied soldiers fought and died on the beaches. By the time German armor moved, it was already too late. That's History Unplugged, where we uncover the moments that changed the world.